I am winning this new war somehow. Thank you, Elenate.
You're welcome, imagefan. Who do you need to kill next?
Let's see. What? Well, Elenate, let's go.
I'll give you $10.
Well, that was easy. Oh, damn it. It's the cops. Well, I'm screwed.
Aru. There's no change in the plan.
Well, the question is, how do I get out of here? Maybe Elenate can help. Elenate. Elenate. Well, looks like I am not getting out of here until someone nearby can help. Huh. Oh, wait. Is that another police officer? Well, this time, I'm getting the keys.
I'm alive. Anyways,
There's no change
take
in
this
the plan.
bacon
Imagefan
down. Just die already.
Aha! Found the tool to unlock these stupid handcuffs. Hey, bud. Long time no see.
Where have you been?
I've been in prison, but I escaped. But since you know, I am afraid you are gonna tell everyone, so I am gonna have to kill you now.
Wait, I won't tell anyone.
Don't lie to my face. John Doe lied to me before, and he's gone.
Thank gosh that decoder worked. But why did that bacon send me here anyways? Oh no. Really? A trap?
We are gonna kill you, John Doe. We are the only clone survivors, and we will kill you for good this time. Besides, you cannot handle 5 people. You are gonna die from us. Why is bro staring at it? Is he still sus and daydreaming? Stop looking at me like that.
But I can't help it.
Bro, I'm glad some people are not here to see this. Guns will work